All right, you want a brutally honest opinion or review about this new Save Club thing? Between you and I think it kicks massive ass. On the left, right butt cheek too, and sometimes just right in the middle. Okay? First 10 days or so, I have about 50 some odd people already signed up, and they're multiplying, they're duplicating. Money's coming in. People are saving money. Okay, just by joining for the $19.97 a month. Okay, they're making money by saving money. Okay, so if you gotta ask, this kid dressed like a little orange, I guess I'm like a little Florida orange, maybe a little bright peach. All right, just a cute little pumpkin maybe with a Santa beard. What a great opportunity, guys. I just hope you look into it. Watch the video. I'm going to invite you to my link. Just watch the video. That's all you got to do. Then make a decision. Go to ilovesaveclub.com. It's going to take you to that page. Watch this YouTube video off to the left of your screen. And please, put your contact information in there. Click the orange button that matches my shirt. Okay, we're on an orange kick today. And you're going to get an email. And if you want to join, just open up the Save Club email and let's get you going. Okay, we got to be affiliates together, guys. This is so new. If you're watching this, I'm in the first week of of May of 2025. June 1st is when it hits the streets. All right, it goes public, but we're pre-launch right now. Thousands a day are signing up. Don't miss out on this boat. If you guys know this type of business, you know that when something's on fire, like Save Club, you join now. Then we figure it out along the way. Okay, have a little faith, guys. All right, it's not like heavy lifting. You just got to get good at something, inviting people to watch your link. Okay, if you pay the $60, you got your own website, you got your capture page, and then we'll get you real good at either a video or maybe social media posting out the max. Maybe get you some business cards or something, okay? Hand them out when you can. There's a lot of cool things you can do. We'll go over it, but if you join my team, okay, I'm going to send emails about what I do. Okay, and I think you'll like it. Almost everything I do is cheap and easy, like me on a date in the back seat with my little cute Lulu. All right, just little Lulu. Her and I just necking, listening to Bill Haley in the comments and the Beach Boys. All right, I'm lying. I was born back then, but I sure the hell didn't meet no one named Lulu. All right? Okay, guys, let me show you my card one more time. I'm a big fan. I think it kicks ass. That sums up what I think. What's my review? What do I think? I think it kicks ass and I love it. That's why I love saveclub.com. All right, guys, thanks for watching my review. You guys have a good day and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hope to see you inside the old back office of Save Club soon, okay? Thanks, guys. Adios. Peace. Love. Goodbye. Lulu, call me. Thank you.